Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm super excited for this unit today, but before we actually get into the unit, I'm just going to show you all everything that came in the packaging. Now this hair is from Vshow. I don't think I said that before, but yep, this wig is from Vshow hair, and this is everything that they sent me in my box. Super cute. Very nice, a little card with instructions, how to care for your wig. But let's get into the main attraction here. This unit, this is their loose deep wave Brazilian hair, 180% density, as you guys can see, and it is super cute. So it is really long too. Very nice, very nice. So this unit, straight out of the packaging, was already amazing. You're gonna see in just a second, but this hair needed very little to no customization at all. I'm gonna show you guys just a sec. I'm kind of taking a minute to get the hair going. Goodness. But look at that curl pattern. It looks so nice. The hair was very nice. The texture, it felt very soft. But this right here is everything. You don't need to plug this unit at all. But you can see that you may want to do a little bit of bleaching on the knots. But I feel like if you were to just add makeup to it, you could get away. But now, so another thing is this hair is pre-cut. So you're supposed to be able to just, get the wig and throw it on. But I am going to bleach it. So I use my BW2 powder and my 40 volume developer just to bleach my knots, make it a little bit more natural. And I am going to be following up with a shampoo and condition. Pretty standard process, nothing new here. So being that this hair came pre-cut, the lace came pre-cut, the wig is pretty much already fully customized. Literally, all you have to do is put it on your head, which was amazing. Now, this hair has been shampooed and washed. This is the texture that you're seeing now. Very nice. Loose, deep wave. It looks super cute. I love it. But how I'm going to install this wig today is absolutely no product at all. I did add makeup to it. Of course, you're going to want to make sure it matches your skin tone. But look at that. I didn't do any additional plucking, nothing. I just bleached my knots. And I honestly feel like I could have skipped that step, but I just did it, just because it's a normal habit for me. But this wig is so easy to install. I've been wearing it everywhere. Like, honestly, I wake up in the morning and throw the wig on. Like, you can literally throw it on your head and it looks super good. I'm so glad that I did not have to use product with it, because I do like to change my styles out very frequently. And with this one, I can literally just keep my braid pattern down, my hair braided down, and just keep switching out my units. So I really love this unit. I wear it to the gym. I wear it, like, honestly, guys, I wear this one everywhere. So I'm going to show you, though. I wanted you guys to see how the hair would look if you were to, flat iron it. So I just took a little piece in the front so y'all could see it. And then I am going to go back and try to revert it back to this little wavy texture that it is. Now, I have not worn this wig fully straightened out. Yeah, but you see it looks good. I feel like if you wanted to flat iron it, it would definitely look good, because this piece looks good. but I don't want to. I like the texture that it is. But like I said, I've been wearing this wig everywhere. I've been wearing it to the gym. Like, I'm really giving this wig a run for its money, and it still looks really good. So this unit, I can definitely say that I recommend. I have no complaints at all. Like, this wig looks really good. So definitely go ahead and check them out. The links are in the description box, of course. And another thing is, I didn't even add baby hair. So I feel like it would have looked a little bit more natural too if I would have added baby hair, but I just wasn't in a baby hair mood. Like, you can definitely move this wig around to be like a side part, you know, anything. I feel like this wig is definitely it. Definitely it. Love it. So again, check out my description box below if you guys are interested. And thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you all in the next video. Please be sure to like this video if you like it and subscribe. And again, cannot wait to see you in the next video.